We begin with major developments in the nation's capital. COVID-19 vaccine guidelines have been updated for some women and children by Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.
ABC4's Mackenzie Diaz kicks us off live in Salt Lake tonight with a bit more details on this. Mackenzie, catch us up to speed.
Yeah, Secretary Kennedy announced that pregnant women and healthy children will no longer be required to receive COVID-19 vaccines, and Utah health officials have some concerns.
Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. shared the announcement Tuesday on his X account.
As of today, the COVID vaccine for healthy children and healthy pregnant women has been removed from the CDC recommended immunization schedule.
He says the guidelines before were not backed up by solid data.
Last year, the Biden administration urged healthy children to get yet another COVID shot despite the lack of any clinical data.
His remarks sparking concerns among some Utah health officials.
Politics doesn't really cause me to have a huge reaction anymore. Basically, what we need to do is just go back to the science, go back to the history, and we just need to keep moving forward and recommending the vaccines.
Immunization Director Rich Lakin says the change could create confusion for some doctors and some insurance companies because the CDC recommendations often influence insurance coverage for private plans and Medicaid programs.
The population that they had recommended not to receive the vaccine, we will know in the next several months whether or not insurance companies will still cover for that population. That's the downside.
Utah is also one of many states seeing a drop in respiratory vaccinations, including for COVID-19. Lakin says it's difficult to pinpoint exactly why, but has some speculations.
Misinformation. You have RFK now, that the Health and Human Services Director, and is somewhat not 100% on board with vaccinations. I'm sure a lot of people look at that.
It's still unclear what federal health officials consider healthy children or pregnant women, but RFK Jr. says this is a positive outcome.
We're now one step closer to realizing President Trump's promise to make America healthy again.
The FDA also announced that they plan to limit COVID shots to those who are 65 and older or those who have high-risk conditions. Reporting in Salt Lake City, Mackenzie Diaz, ABC4 News.